Hey, Brookie, guess what?
Oh, no.
It's on recording.
Oh my god. I hate that.
Hey, Joey, say hi.
Ow! He just smacked me in the face.
Hey, Ryan, look it. I can record you.
You were supposed to look.
Ryan,
I did this to Matt too.
turn around,
Ah!
please. Joey.
No.
Hey, little girl.
If you want to record
Hey, little
something,
girl.
record the game.
Lead in your ass. Got a spring in your butt, but the lead holds it down.
I see you, Uncle Ryan.
Don't follow me this time. Ah! What's following me?
Jump.
Get me out of here. Ooh, ice cube. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Ah. You done yet?
Harley push you out of bed? Huh? Yeah.
I'm not looking.
Get her. Catch, Mom. She's got a spring in her butt.
Yeah, she's got springs in her butt.
Next time.
See?
This one doesn't work. So see what?
Here, do.
I can see you, Joe.
Play your game if you're gonna play it.
Ah!
Is it gonna die?
Got ya.
Don't crush me.
You think I should take you off of there? You gonna be a pest?
Do it to
Of
Mom.
course.
She likes it.
No.
Hey, Mom, you're on camera.
Yeah, you are.
Scooby.
So are you, Ma?
Scooby's on camera too.
There she is.
Lay down.
I can look at you. You're my cousin. Bricky's ticklish. I am so little. Your hair is all over the place. Joey.
Go lay down.
I bet you that's gonna be fun to watch.
Yeah. I can see you, Kathy.
Do that to my mom, not me.
I am. You're not even in the pic.
Ah!